Sogetel Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Sogetel, an internet provider offering reliable internet services across various regions. I've added links to their plans and services in the description below. Sogetel is particularly known for its high-speed fiber optic internet and exceptional customer support, making it an ideal choice for residential users, small businesses, and remote workers. What sets Sogetel apart from many other providers is its robust fiber optic infrastructure. This allows for faster and more stable internet, ideal for activities like streaming, gaming, video conferencing, and heavy browsing. The speeds they offer are impressive, with symmetrical upload and download speeds, meaning you get consistent performance whether you're streaming or uploading content. This is especially useful for users with high demands, such as families with multiple users or businesses needing reliable connections for cloud-based work. Sogetel provides a range of packages, catering to different needs. Their plans are tailored for both casual internet users and power users. Whether you need basic browsing speeds or ultra-fast connections for data-intensive activities, Sogetel has a plan that fits. They also offer flexible contract options, allowing users to select either long-term or short-term agreements based on their needs. In addition to competitive pricing, Sogetel places a strong emphasis on customer service. Their support team is readily available to help with installation, troubleshooting, or general inquiries, ensuring users feel supported at all times. The installation process is relatively smooth, and they provide detailed guides to help you set up your connection quickly. To summarize, Sogetel stands out as a provider offering both performance and value. Their fiber optic internet service ensures fast and reliable connections for various uses, from everyday browsing to business operations. For more details and to explore their offerings, check out the links in the description.